In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract and install zip file game with Winrar. By the end, you will know exactly how to go from a downloaded zip file to a fully installed game using simple, reliable steps. First, make sure you have Winrar installed. If you don't, head to the official Winrar website. Download the installer that matches your system and run it. The default settings are fine for most people. Once it's installed, Winrar integrates into the right-click menu in File Explorer, which is what we'll use. A quick tip: keep your download in a folder you recognize, like Downloads or a dedicated Games folder, so it's easy to find later. Next, locate your downloaded .zip game file. Right-click it. Hover over the Winrar option and choose either Extract Here or Extract To. Extract Here unpacks everything right into the current folder, which is fast and tidy if you already created a game folder. Extract To creates a new subfolder with the same name as the zip, keeping all the contents neatly contained. Either option works, pick what keeps your files organized. Let the extraction run to 100% and wait for it to finish before moving on. If the zip is large, this can take a moment, so be patient. When the extraction is complete, open the newly created folder. You are looking for the installer. Common names include setup.exe, install.exe, or the game's title with an application icon and a .exe extension. If you are not seeing it right away, sort the folder by type so application files rise to the top, or glance for the icon that indicates an application. Avoid clicking README or configuration files here. You want the installer itself. Double-click the installer to open the setup wizard. Then follow the on-phase screen instructions. Typical steps include choosing an install location and confirming shortcuts. If you are unsure about any options, the defaults are generally safe and recommended. Let the installer run without closing the window or moving files around in the background. When it says the installation is complete, you are done with this part. Now you can launch the game. If you selected the desktop shortcut option during installation, double-click that to start playing. If not, open the installation folder you chose in the wizard and run the game's main.exe from there. Give the game a moment on first launch as it may set up initial files. That's it. Thanks for watching.